welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I wanted to introduce you to a new product that we have coming online that I think you might be really interested in. These are called Posca pens, P-O-S-C-A, Posca pen. Their name is some kind of weird Japanese abbreviation for poster paint. A very descriptive way to talk about the consistency of the paint that is in these pens, because it is paint, highly pigmented paint. So if you've ever used paint pens before, you will find that these are extremely opaque, and it's a specific way that you have to like open them, activate them, charge them, kind of shake them, interact with them, take them to parties, you know. These are kind of specifically designed, used, you know, marketed for graffiti purposes or even like craft purposes. I have found in playing around with them that they don't do great like on watercolor paper or any kind of paper that has like a pronounced tooth. It'll actually kind of start to like peel them up and it gets a little bit bumpy. So these are really better on like illustration board or even our own cradled hardboards or some kind of gessoed surface, something like that. They are absolutely ideal. This I have just for visual purposes is actually the Fabriano black paper, which I love a lot. So I wanted to show you how these work, how these look. We're going to open a couple of these up so you can get a feel. And yeah, I'll be doing a demo, but you know, I get a little shy on camera. So we'll show you the finished piece, but I just kind of wanted to show you how these work. So what I did there was I twisted the cap and it broke the plastic and stuff like this. But then what they say to do is actually like activate it like this. So you can hear that there's a roller ball inside that's actually mixing the paint up and stuff like this. There are 55 different colors in this line. Granted, I don't believe that we carry them all, but there's also several different nibs. We've got very fine point ones, and then we've got ones that are actually like this, it's like a brick. So as you can see, it's got the felt nib at the point, and what we're gonna have to do is actually charge it. So what we're gonna do is press it down. It went a little nuts, but you can see, good thing I didn't use it on my good paper. You get a really nice consistent line. So we're gonna show you here how this looks on the black, and then how easy this fills in. This is really great, nice, even coverage. So once we got this little baby started, it does great. So, and I'll show you like one of the metallics. Again, we're gonna twist the plastic, break it off like that. So again, we're going to shake it very well. Activate the paint inside. We're going to charge it. This charges fast, super fast. So really super great coverage, really intense color, brilliant markers. We are sure that you are going to love these. These are inexpensive, come in tons of colors, great variety of nibs and stuff like this. Use them on tons of different surfaces. If you haven't looked into them before, check out Posca markers. They are fascinating, and we are sure that you will enjoy.